In this video, we'll be unboxing the Thermo IntelliStack CO2 Incubator Shaker. When you first receive your package, please inspect the box or shipping carton for any damage. It's important to take this step before unpacking the shaker. If you do discover damage, the delivering carrier should specify and sign for the damage on your copy of the delivery receipt. Once this step is complete, you can start to unpack the instrument. Make sure all parts and accessories are accounted for before discarding any materials. If you find that the product itself is damaged, report it to the carrier and request a damage inspection. If any parts or accessories are missing, contact Thermo Fisher Scientific customer service. If the instrument is upside down, contact us as well as the carrier. Please note that failure to request an inspection of damage within a few days of receipt absolves the carrier of any liability. When it's time to move the instrument within your lab, ensure that the power is disconnected and the platform is empty. Then use a forklift or other lifting aid to assist you. These instruments should be moved individually and not stacked during transport. The instrument must be placed on a level surface that can accommodate its total weight. When the instruments are stacked, make sure the floor's loading capacity is at least 1.5 times that of the instrument's weight. This might involve stacking them up against the wall or on the floor with a reinforced beam. There must also be sufficient space around the instrument's perimeter, meaning at least 30 centimeters between the shaker and surrounding walls or instruments. When the instrument is in position, loosen its 4 feet with a wrench and adjust them upward. The bottom of the foot should be approximately 55 millimeters from the bottom of the machine. This will help keep the machine horizontal and balanced. The height of the legs must not exceed 60 millimeters. You've now completed the unboxing of your instrument. Please keep in mind that the CO2 concentration may increase and can be harmful to your health if you're operating this instrument in a small, airtight room. The room should be well ventilated when the CO2 function is on, and you should avoid directly inhaling the gas when opening the door. You should also keep the vent of the instrument away from heat sources or other vents so they don't conflict with the compressor. It's important to allow sufficient room to access the port and to maintain the use of the instrument's protective cover. Keep in mind that the platform should always be locked in place when the shaker is in operation to avoid damage or injury. This includes keeping the shaker and platform bolted together and the instrument on its feet when in operation. Only deionized water should be used with your shaker. Please refer to your manual for additional setup instructions. Thanks for watching. You can learn more at thermofisher.com/IntelliStack.